Hi everyone, this is number 33 of your 2008 release exam from 2018. In the year 1900, the total number of metric tons of copper produced in the world was 495,000. Each year since 1900, the total number of metric tons of copper produced has increased by about 3.25% over the amount produced the previous year. Which model represents the total number of metric tons of copper produced in the year that is X years since 1900? And I noticed that on your STAR exam there's a lot of exponential type equations. This one's exponential because it keeps compounding. These two down here are not exponential. Exponential means you have something like a times b to the x. That's exponential. These aren't. Alright? And another thing you need to know is when you write something, when you have, let's just look at this one. If there were zero, we don't even have to worry about the 1900. So 1900 shouldn't even be in the equation. That's just the year they're talking about. But anytime, say, your x is 0, then what it's going to be, and you got to be careful with this, b to the 0 is 1. So this means a is your initial amount. Okay, so that would be a. In our case, if we take either one of these, when x is 0, the first one's they're both going to be 495,000. So that's okay on this one. So now we only have to determine the percent. So if I said 5%, you know that is 0.05. You take 5, divide it by 100. So when you talk about 3.25%, you're dividing that by 100, and that's going to be 0.0325, which is this one. Now, the reason there's a 1 there, and let's just say x was 1 year, so let x be 1. So if I had c of x equals 495,000, have 1.0325, squeezing it in there, and x is 1. All the 1 means is you're distributing. It's 4, if you distribute to, okay, well, first of all, when you write 1.0325, all that means is 1 plus 0.0325. So when you multiply 495,000 times 1 plus 0.0325, and you distribute, the 1 just means your initial amount, which is 495,000 when you distribute, plus your 495,000 times your 3.25%. So you take your initial amount and add it to that. That's why they have the 1. So your answer is going to be A. Okay? And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.